Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will demonstrate how we can add a breadcrumb using the free SC breadcrumb component that's shared by a fellow Turkish designer and builder Abdullah Kahvecioğlu in the Framer community. You can find the link for his post, which includes the info, preview and remix links of the sample file for the component. You can also find the remix link for the starter file that I'm using in this tutorial. If you want to follow along, we can click blog link, and as you see, it becomes visible in the breadcrumb section. We can also click to a post, and we can see its title is also placed at the breadcrumb section, showing the full path to the post. As you expect from a breadcrumb, we can click any of the items on the breadcrumb, and to go back to that page, like blog, then we can click to a different post to see the new post's title there. So let's get started. You can see here we have a fixed navigation, and for demonstration, a home page and a CMS blog page is gonna be enough. I am using a simple layout template while the desktop breakpoint is selected. Actually, we can click edit under the template section on the right panel to see it, and here I placed the breadcrumb wrapper stack right under the navigation. Let's go to home page and preview our design. We can click blog and view our sample blog posts, and click one of the posts to view the post content. As you know, to include the breadcrumb component in my design, after copying it from the sample file, which I will paste the link for in the description, since we need to paste it to our layout template. After going to its screen, I will select breadcrumb wrapper stack and paste inside of it. I know it doesn't make sense right now, but to see it properly, we need to publish our site, and we're gonna see that we have our breadcrumb. Let's view the published site. And you can see our breadcrumb works, but it's aligned to the left. Let's quickly go to its settings and change some of them. First, I will make its alignment center. Since it needs to be smaller than the actual navigation links, I will make its font size 13. By default, it is using RAM unit, but now I'm gonna select pixels and make it 13 pixels, as I said. Then I will change its color to BG from my color styles, although it's not gonna make a big difference. I will do that just to be consistent with the color palette, and I will make its hover color mid blue too. Lastly, I will make the separator greater than sign. Let's first update our changes with the shortcut Shift Command P, or from the publish menu we can use update button, and let's go to our published site and refresh it, and we can see the changes here. We can click any of the blog posts and see its content. Also, we can browse the site using the links in the breadcrumb section, and we can select another blog post, and also we can see its title in the breadcrumb section, as we expect from a fully functioning breadcrumb, right? As you see, it is really easy to add this component and customize to have a nice breadcrumb on your site. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.